Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we will learn about HTML attributes. HTML attributes provides additional description of the HTML elements. Here is an example. We have h1 tag, with attribute defined inside it. In this HTML element, title equals heading is an attribute. This defines the tooltip, when the mouse hovers over the heading. This is how it looks in your HTML page, when the mouse is hovering over the heading. HTML attributes are defined inside the start tag. Here you can see, we have h1 start tag. The attribute is defined inside the start tag. HTML element can contain multiple attribute. Here is an example. We have image element. Inside the image element, we can see src equals logo.jpg, which is the first attribute. Width equals 300 is the second attribute. And height equals 300 is the third attribute. Now let's try in our computer. In my Visual Studio Code, I have already written this code for simple HTML page. If you want, you can pause the video and copy this code. Inside the body element, I have only created a heading element. Now, we are going to save the file as index.html. We have to put the file name as index.html, and save it to the HTML folder on the desktop. So, I will select the HTML folder, and click on Save. Let's go to the HTML folder, and open our index.html. Double-click on the HTML file, and we can see our HTML page with the heading. When I hover the mouse over the heading, I want to display a tooltip. We are going to do that by using HTML attribute called title. Let's go back to our Visual Studio Code. Inside the h1 tag, we will create a title attribute, title equals heading. This will create a tooltip, heading. After that, we have to save the file. Click on Save, and open the web page. We always have to reload the web page to see the changes, so make sure that you reload the web page. Now, when I hover my mouse over the heading, we can see that the tooltip appears as heading. Let's go back to our Visual Studio Code, and we will create a HTML element for image. We will start by creating start tag for image, and close the image tag. Now, inside the start tag of the image, we have to define the source of the image using src attribute. Before that, make sure you have image file with JPG extension called logo inside the HTML folder. To see the extension of the image, right-click on the image and go to Properties. In the general, we can see type of file as .jpg. This is important because we have to define file type as .jpg for this image. We will use the src attribute to define the name and file type of the image. After that, we have to save the file, so go to File and click on Save. Open the HTML web page, and click on Reload. There, we can see our image has been added to the web page. Let's add other attributes. After the src, we will add height attribute, height equals 300. This defines the height of the image as 300. We will also add the width attribute of the image, width equals 300. After that, click on Files and click on Save. Open the web page, and reload the web page. We can see that the height and width of the image has been changed. Let's make the image bigger by changing the height and width. We will keep the height equals 600 and width equals 700. Save the code and reload the web page. We can see that our image has become bigger. We will learn more on coming videos, so keep watching. Time for quiz. Where can we define HTML attributes? A. Inside start tag. B. Inside end tag. C. Contents. D. All of the above. Pause the video if you need more time. The answer is A. Inside the start tag. How many attributes can HTML element contain? A. Only one. B. 3. C. Multiple. D. None. The answer is C. Multiple attributes. Which of the following is HTML attribute? A. Title. B. Title tag. C. H1. D. None. The answer is A. Title. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like our content, please leave a like, comment, or share. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.